Okay, Joey, we've got one vindaloo on, saffron risotto, got the press, in the middle of the press, in the middle there, get that, lose it, press it down, keep it sharp, keep it tight, and out, in the middle of the plate, and potatoes are going to go on top. I've got some vindaloo, sweet potatoes, boiled in the syrup, Joe, just boiled in the syrup 10 minutes, then roasted up in the oven. Got the pakora there, deep fried with the chickpea flour with the herbs. Got the vindaloo sauce, make sure it's hot, make sure it's hot. Get it on top of those, want the flavour to go into the potatoes as well, don't just flood the plate on the top and then round on the white. Get the contrast, okay. Coconut, ISI machine, coconut, cream, milk, nitrous oxide, inside, and don't lose that gas. Give it a good shake. And out, over the top. How thick and creamy is that? Just let it flow over the top. Don't mix it up again or you'll lose its air. And the plate a little bit. Keep it thick and creamy over the brown, and you get a bit of colour. And just finish off a few spots of contrast just over the cream coconut. There we go. One vindaloo. Let's